Are we done and good now? Done. Everybody's done? Oh, thank you so much. So I can start this timer. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Now I'm gonna take your answers. You're gonna tell me the words that you used and then why you use them. First volunteer, who wants to answer? Maka, you wanna give me the first one? Say it again. Consistent. Maka said consistent. Okay. Do we agree with that?
Yep.
Yes. Alright, thank you so much. Adriana, you wanna give me the second one, please? Say it again. Inconsistent. Do you agree with that, guys? Josh said yes. Yes. Alright, thank you so much. Last one. Alex, you wanna give me the last one, please?
Consistent.
You said?
Consistent.
Consistent. Okay, what do you think about that, guys?
I agree.
Agreed? Alright, now, very quickly, I need a few people to tell me why they are consistent, inconsistent, stuff like that. So, justification. Go ahead.
Because one of them are
The first one.
The first one is an independent, consistent graph, right?
Why? How do we know that?
Because it only crosses at one point.
At one point. So, because you see that one point, you know it is consistent. Thank you so much for that. Josh, you wanted to say something. What about the second one? Why?
I want to go if you could explain why consistent graph.
If you could, why this is consistent? The third one, why is it consistent? Or somebody can explain why the third one is consistent?
I said that the third one is consistent because they meet at a point, but they also meet at every point. So I said dependent consistent. Alright,
perfectly on top of each other. On top of each other, you said it means like, where's my other color? On top of each other, they meet at
like every single point.
Every single point, right? They meet at every single point. And here we said consistent, they meet, right? So it conforms to the definition. Jalen, what about the second one? Why we say it's not inconsistent?
Because they're not touching because they're saying the same versus
Never touch, and if you never touch, so they don't meet, it is
means it's parallel.
parallel and inconsistent. Thank you so much for that. Thank you, Jalen. Alright guys, that was great. Thank you for participating and engaging in the now. Now we're going to move on to the lesson itself, but we're gonna skip the first part of the lesson because we don't have the computers. They are there right now. Alright? So we're gonna skip the first part. We're gonna go to the second part of the lesson. So find the second part of the lesson where it says substitution. Alright? Find a page. Please. Turn your packet and find the page where it says substitution. Solving by substitution. And I'm giving you a new paper. This is about consistent and inconsistent. So you can verify again the answer we just. Did I give one to everybody? This paper? I give you one? No. Alright, everybody's at that page where it says solving each system by substitution. Yes? So I need someone to tell me what does that mean, substitution? In simple words. Let's have
change a variable for a number.
Change a
variable.
You change a variable for a number. Or you switch things. You substitute, you replace, right? These are the words we can change, replace. So this is substitution. As you can see, it says that I will do number 5, we will do number 6, and then you will do number 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, right? No worries. Alright, so number 5, we're going to do substitution, we're going to replace variables with numbers. Alright, now what do we see? We see y equals blah blah blah, y equals blah blah. right? First equation, second equation. So it's like we already have the values for y, right? Since we already have the values for y, sorry about that. Alright, so we could say that y equals y. Do we agree with that? Y is the same thing as y, right? So if y is the same thing as y, it means that this value is the same thing as this one. So 4x minus 9 is the same as x minus 3. Here we only have how many variables do we have? Just one type of variable, just x, right? So it becomes easier to solve now. We're gonna move the x's over here and the constant over there, right? So by moving this, we're gonna subtract x on both sides, right? And then we have 4x minus x minus 9 equals -3. And then we're gonna add 3. No, we're gonna add 9 on both sides to move the -9 to the other side. So let's add 9 to both sides. Now we have 4x minus x is 3x, right? And then -9 plus 9 is gone. -3 plus 9 is 6. So 3x equals 6. So we divide by 3. So x is 6 divided by 3 is 2. I just found the value of x. I'm not done because I need to find x and y. Alright, so now what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna replace or substitute the value of x into equation 1 or equation 2. Alright? So let's substitute the value of x into equation 1. So y equals 4x, meaning 4 times 2 minus 9. So y equals 4 times 2, 8 minus 9. So y equals -1. I have x and y, so my solution is, I need to write my solution in ordered pair. So my x value is 2 and my y value is -1. Question? Question, okay, Josh. Is it, Gary? Legitimate, for you, so read it for him.
Substitution, all you have to do is make equations equal to each other.
If they already like isolate the variables for you, you just have to do it.
Wait, so.
If they're not
if it's
isolated
not, we
yet,
gotta isolate them ourselves?
we're gonna do it ourselves. Alright, good question. So let's try number 6 now. Are we ready to move to number 6?
Mhm.
Okay, number 6. Number 6 looks different. Alright? So what we're gonna need to know when we do substitution, we need to find a variable with coefficient of 1 or -1. Alright? So when we do substitution, let's look for a variable with coefficient of 1 or -1. Because it will be so easy, right, to isolate a variable that has the coefficient 1 or -1. Do we have that over here? No? We don't have any variable with -1 or -1?
Oh. I mean,
We do?
yeah.
There is a yes.
Yeah,
The
bottom
bottom equation or equation 2, right? Let's give them names, equation 2. So we have 1, we have -1. If we take -1, we will get it, but 1 will be easier. Always try the easiest way, right? Do not complicate your life. So the positive one is best with the x. So we're going to isolate x. That's what we're going to do. So what am I going to do to isolate x?
Add one? That's what I said.
on both sides.
Add y.
Oh, I thought you said 1.
Oh.
Sorry. Add y to both sides. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. My bad. Alright, so adding y, we have x equals 13 plus y or y plus 13. Doesn't matter, right? Is that right? It's like this is a third equation now, right? We have a third equation. So we know the value of x. What should we do now with the value of x? what do you think we should do?